That's the correct position for the knife. Oh, I need to jump in there and talk about something else real quick. People are always, I don't know why this topic continues to come up and continues to come up, but I'm going to go ahead and give my 2 cents worth. I brought this bottle. This is an empty bottle of curing salt, pink curing salt. It's called curing salt. We don't need that in any type of sausage that I make at all. I'm not going to put anything on the smoker. I have no slow temperature change things that's going to allow bacteria to grow. You don't need it either unless you're really making some smoked sausage, maybe some jerky, but then you're going to measure it out exactly like it says on here. You're not going to go on the heavy side. If you go on the heavy side, this sodium nitrite, I believe that's correct, is what's in here, is sodium nitrite. It'll kill your kidneys. I guarantee you go heavy on this enough time, you will have kidney stone after kidney stone after kidney. This is a bad thing. Don't use it unless you have to, and if you have to, you'll know it. That's all I got to say about that.